Hello and welcome to issue 46 of Build Your Own 3D Printer, 3D Create and Print. Okay, let's see what's in this week's magazine. Got your usual web access code. I'll tell you about the end of the magazine. Reassuring the past. There's new life in the old bones thanks to 3D printing. Like you can make a face with it. A facial reconstruction of one of Henry VIII's soldiers, far right. It was achieved by using 3D print of his skull, right, which was recovered from the wreck of the Mary Rose above, which sank in 1545. Now that's a bit dark, but why would you want to do that? Some more. The real king taught the finished replica skeleton below left of King Tutankhamun. It's so close to the original that it's almost impossible to tell the difference close up. This is all a bit dark. Richard III. Okay. "3D scan of a previous mummy. Research discovered that there was a 2.5-year-old girl who died around 500 years ago." It's all a bit dark. Why would you want to know that? You've probably never seen cast of a helpless victim who had been buried alive in Pompeii when Mount Vesuvius erupted in AD 79. This is really dark. Okay, moving on swiftly. Okay, scaling the lofty heights, part 1. You can make some sort of a vase here. This is a 3D design tutorial. Look, you can make it like funny shapes. You can kind of squeeze it. You can like twist it. Loft along the path. Some of these are quite easy to do, some of these are quite difficult to do. Advanced support structures. The 3D Create and Print software automatically generates support material. On occasion, however, support may require modification. Here we explain how to do this using the free tool called SLIC3R. Okay, well, this is what you want to know. I'll come back to that in a second. Cog playset part 2. This is for the design tutorial. The design files. A crest port. And you can like make some crests, put some paper tissues in there and cling film, and put some crest seeds in there, and then have make some crest seeds. Make some crest out of the seeds. Simple dog and catch might be useful. A cat statue. And next week is another switch. About the third or fourth switch, I think. This is apparently. This is for. You can see there that there's like a safety thing there. So if you lift it, the printer will stop, so it's like a little safety catch. The hood limit switch, so it's about there, I do believe. So anyway, that's for next week. That's issue 47. So let's go back. Okay, this is going to be all of 2 minutes. I know this is not going to be very exciting because for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, all that it's been is like covers. Okay. So let's make sure which way round it goes. So first of all, this is the bumpy. No, it's the flat side down, the bumpy side up. Okay, so in the picture, it is with these bits at the front. I see. I see. You've got the slight curvy bit at the front, and that goes in the middle, and the flat bit goes in the back. That's okay. I think it's got to match that flat bit there. You can't have like the bumpy bit going onto the slightly curvy bit. You can see there it's a slight curve. See, that wouldn't match. Like if I did like that, you see there's a curve. You see, so it's got to go flat with flat. And that's going to be four screws again. So this is basically like last week. So basically, so I've got to try and match. There, that's it, done. All I've got to do now is fit the screws in the holes. So I've got to let go of the camera so I can hold the thing in place. I keep on saying once you've got one screw in, all the others will follow. It's just a matter of getting the first screw in. I know you can't really tell it from this week, but what I'd noticed from this is what I've got to say last week, because I noticed I was a little bit worried about this for a little while, but I know it's all straight now, but this was a bit wonky. This was like, instead of being flat, it was a slight angle I noticed. But this was in issue 45. I was wondering that, but then I noticed that as soon as I was putting this plate in here, it straightened it all out. So that's good. So let's put this other plate. So it's just oops. Should buy a tripod really. Maybe I'll try and put it. Why does first screw goes in so easy? this one not going in. Anyway, you kind of get the idea. I'll do the other two in a minute, but that's it basically. Told you something really. So next week it's going to be what they call a limit switch, which I do believe is going to go down there. The hood's going to go over, so I can see. There's no. Well, there are some. I think there's a switch there, but it's all been covered up now with all these. I mean, imagine that switch. That's basically what the switch is going to look like next week. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in part 47. Thanks. Bye.